Yeah! Yeah! Woo! 50 miles to Los Angeles. We did it! Yeah!
I know. I'm surprised no one even chased us. We got away scot-free.
You fucking rule.
No, you fucking rule.
Yeah, but I couldn't have done it without your training.
Dude, let's see the pic.
Oh, shit.
Dude, you got it right.
Yes! Look at how awesome it is! Now we have the power.
Yes.
We shall carry on its ancient legacy. Dude, we are gonna smoke the competition at the open mic night tonight. That money is ours!
Totally.
Yeah, I got some fellows with a broken taillight.
Oh, fuck, it's cops. Pull over, pull over.
Oh.
It's cool.
Okay.
Pull over. All right, just play it cool, okay? They got nothing on us. Let's just be mellow, okay? What are you doing? No! What the fuck are you doing?
This is Officer McKenzie. I need backup. Assailant heading south down Lexington Avenue. I'm in pursuit.
Oh, god damn it, Kyle!
Cartier City, that's the name of the game. I was all grooving, now it's totally lame. KD really fucking blew us, man. Now we're fucking headed for a total collapse. Cartier City, ran away from the buzz. Thought that we wasn't, but we totally was. Cartier City, now we're off of the map. Cartier City, now I'm taking it high. Now it's getting heavy, so we're chasing the key. Never underestimate the power of D. KD fucking put his foot on the gas. If I go to prison, I can pick up my ass. Fuck this shit, I'm going too far. They pull up into the other car.
The car is severely damaged. The perpetrators appear to be two heavy-set males driving a blue Cutlass Supreme. Let's go now to Mark in Sky Cop.
God damn it! Yeah?
Hey, you guys. It's Lee. I'm just checking in. Is everything okay?
Yeah, we're cool! We're super cool!
Where are you guys?
Well, we're at the drive-in. We're watching this bitchin' movie. It's Cop Chase 3. Have you seen it?
No, I haven't seen that one. Sounds scary, though.
Yeah! It's really fucking scary. I'm shaking right now.
Cool. How was that, big power meeting you guys had?
Awesome! I'll tell you about it later. You're making us miss the movie.
I think I lost him! I can do this!
We're gonna need paramedics and fire trucks. These guys are toast.